Do you want to learn how to ask the right questions when using your pendulum? In this video, I'll share with you 3 tips to choosing what questions to ask so you can get clear and accurate answers. I'm George Lizos and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my 3rd book, Protect Your Light, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you'll get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. The pendulum is a powerful tool to getting quick binary answers to important decisions. In the 15 years that I've used pendulums, I've used them to get guidance on making important decisions, such as deciding what house to move into and navigating my relationships. Although pendulums are relatively easy to use and everyone can learn how to do so, asking the right questions can be tricky, and having the right state of mind when doing so is equally so. Asking the wrong questions can give you the wrong or ambiguous answers, which can derail rather than support your path. In this video, I'll share with you 3 tips to getting your questions right every single time. By the way, I've created a free guide sharing tools and practices to help you develop your intuition so you can use pendulums more effectively. I'll share the link for it in the description below so you can check it out. Before I share the 3 tips with you, I want to share a little bit about how to choose the right pendulum for you. Pendulums can be made of different materials, but the most common ones are made of wood, metal, glass, plastic, crystals, stones, and clay. I've used pendulums made of different materials, but my current favorite ones are clay pendulums. The ones I have here are handmade clay pendulums made by Joanna Cabot from Holistic Ceramics, who was kind enough to gift these to me. The benefit behind using handmade ceramic pendulums is that they're one of a kind, they hold the prayers and intentions of the maker, and being made out of the earth, they help you stay grounded, which is an essential element to giving accurate readings. I'll pop the link to Joanna's holistic pendulums in the description below so you can check them out. Okay, are you ready for my top 3 tips to choosing the right questions when using your pendulum? Let's do it. Tip number 1, keep your questions simple at first before you get more complicated. It's important to have energetic rapport with your pendulum before you can ask the really important questions that you really need answers for. That's why when you first start using your pendulum, especially if you are inexperienced with divination methods, ask simple in structure, precise and unambiguous questions. A good idea is to ask questions that you know the answers to in order to check your yes and no responses. And once you've established some energetic rapport with your pendulum, then you can formulate your question that you really want an answer to in a clear and precise way that will yield a binary answer, whether this is a yes or no, a right or wrong, good or bad, move forward or stay put, etc. Tip number 2, test your chosen questions with a set of double-check questions. These are clarifying questions that you can use after you've got an answer to a question you asked to ensure you've chosen the right question. Example of these questions are the following. Have I misinterpreted things in any way? Have I made any assumptions that may have interfered with the given answer? Am I missing any information that has prevented me from seeing the whole picture? Is there any additional information that I may need before moving forward? Once you've asked these questions, you can adjust your initial question and ask it again, or simply choose a different question. Tip number 3, use the following phrases to frame better questions. These phrases will allow you to frame your questions in a way that's unambiguous and covers all bases, thus ensuring you get the most accurate answers. So here they are. Taking everything into consideration, and then you can fill in the blank with your question. Another one is, would it be in my best interest to, and then complete the sentence. And then finally, would it be a good idea to, and then complete the sentence. Finally, the most important thing to remember when using your pendulum is that the field of information that you're accessing is never wrong. What can be wrong is the user's interference with the process. You are the receiver of the information, and your pendulum is merely an extension of your own divination system. Your pendulum is like an antenna that helps amplify your own inner guidance so you can read it. When you understand and accept this, you realize that mastering pendulum divination is an art that can be learned. And the more you practice and keep on improving on the tips I shared, the better you'll be at it. Okay, now that you know how to use pendulums to ask the right questions, let me know. Which of these tips do you most need to work on? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Also, I have an entire series of YouTube videos teaching you how to use pendulums effectively. I'll pop the links in the description below so you can check them out. Another important step you can make to give accurate pendulum readings is to cleanse your energy before doing so. The cleaner your energy, the more present you'll be to receive the answer. And if you want to learn how to thoroughly cleanse and protect your energy, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you'll learn my entire 7-step system to energy protection, which includes cleansing and shielding practices, as well as processes to protect your energy online. It's available to order on Amazon and all online retailers in print, digital, and audio formats, so be sure to check it out. You can get even more guidance on pendulums in my free Facebook group for lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering pendulum divination. Please let me know any questions you have, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.